Hello everyone, welcome to the demonstration of our project on automated smart parking system using Verilog HDL with Proteus simulation. In this project, we have devised a smart parking system which will count the number of vehicles in a parking space and the number of available spots in the space. It will assign each vehicle a specific spot to prevent the random parking of vehicles, and it will also assign a unique passcode and prevent the exit of a vehicle if it fails to pass the security test. This was the code that was followed to accomplish these tasks mentioned in the PowerPoint presentation. This code was done entirely from the scratch by us. There are three main modules for this task: car arrival module, car departure module, and the information center module. In the car arrival module, the system will be initialized at the beginning. When a car arrives, it will check if a spot is available in the parking space. If yes, then it will proceed to the next step, or it will notify the owner of the unavailability of space if there is no available spots in the space. Then it will assign a unique spot to the car and provide the user with the unique passcode associated with that specific spot. It will be required to pass the security test when the car exits. And it will decrement the number of available spots by 1 if a car is allowed to park. When a car is trying to exit, the system will require the passcode from the user, and the passcode input from the user will be matched with the passcode associated with that unique spot. If the passcodes match, the car will be allowed to exit, otherwise it won't. And if a car exits, the number of the available spots will be increased by 1.
Based on the code that we implemented using Verilog, we have designed the circuit for our system using Proteus. For example, when a car arrives outside the parking spot and if there are available spots to park in, the number of available spots will decrease by 1. Again, when the car is ready to depart, for example here from spot 1, and the user entered password and the database password match, the number of available spots will now increase by 1, and all this data is stored in the information center. The whole project, including the code and the schematic, was built from scratch, and we wanted to develop a system that would automate the whole smart parking system concept. There are some limitations to the project, and as at the same time there are some future scopes by which we can improve the whole system. All in all, we wanted to build a parking system with the help of technology to provide a better experience in vehicle parking.